Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Get ready with me using my BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic and Supernova palette. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to collab with me, leave it in the comments. If there's any looks you want to see me do, let me know. Halloween is coming up soon and I need some inspiration. I love you guys. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to take my NYX Proof-It Primer to prime my lids off camera. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic using the shade Aphrodite. Going to swirl that brush up in there, pack it onto my outer V and blend that into my crease. And I'm also going to wing it out on the end. I really love how this primer works with this palette, with these baked eyeshadows. You can also use these shadows wet too. Then I'm going to take this shade Neptune using a small crease brush by Morphe, and I'm going to swirl that in there. And I'm going to pack that onto my outer V, wing it out, and then I'm going to blend that into my crease. I want that winged out shape today. And I'm just building up the color, and then I'm going to blend out my edges. Next, I'm going to take my Proof-It primer using a paintbrush, and I'm going to cut my crease. I like using a paintbrush versus using the applicator because I don't want to get eyeshadow all up in there. Let that dry for 2 minutes, or if you don't have a fan, but I'm going to use my fan. Going into my Supernova palette, I'm going to take this shade Pegasus using a flat shader brush, and I'm going to pack that onto my lid. Flat eyeshadow brush, I mean. Got these brushes in my BoxyCharm box and I love them. Especially that small crease brush. It's very easy for me to get into my crease. And then I like the angled eyeliner brush because it's really small, so I can do wing liner with eyeshadows. So I'm going back into those colors that I used previously to blend out the edges, intensify everything, and make sure everything is nice and blended. Next, I'm going to go into Scorpio and Erla and Lena in my Supernova palette, and I mix those colors together with the angled eyeliner brush, and I'm going to use that to do my wing today. I didn't want to do a liquid liner because I didn't want to make a dramatic wing and cut off the my outer V where I winged out the shadow. I wanted that to show. That's why I use the eyeshadow, because I get a little overboard when I do wing liner. Then I just added a little bit more of the Pegasus to my lid shade. Then I'm going to take that Royal Blue LA Girl Electric Shock Gel Eyeliner, and then for my waterline, and then to smoke out my lower lash line, I'm using that same blue, and I'm just blending it into my lower lash line. I did apply some of that primer under there too and let it dry. Then I'm going to take a smaller brush and take Aphrodite to blend that directly underneath. Then I'm also going to take that angled eyeliner brush just to try to get somewhere closer to my lower lash line as possible, so there's no gap right there. Going into the Supernova palette, I'm going to take that shade Phoenix and use that to highlight my brow bone. Then I'm just gonna blend out my edges again. Next, take my Thrive Cosmetics mascara for my upper lashes, and then for my lower lashes, Maybelline Mascara in Dejablue. And then I'm going to take that same shade that I used to highlight my brow bone to highlight the inner part of my eye. And then the second thought, I decided to add a little bit of gold liner halfway across the liner on top of the black. And this is my Grwm Cosmetics Wonderswipe Ombre Eyeliner. Use my Too Faced Natural Face Highlighter palette to highlight. And then I'm going to take my NYX Copenhagen lip liner to line my lips. I think I'm going to do a couple more looks with these palettes just to, you know. Now I'm going to take my NYX Liquid Suede Metallic Lip Cream in Pure Society, and I just realized that I am running out of this lipstick, so as you can see I wasn't having a hard time getting it on. But yeah, I'm going to do a few more looks with these palettes just to see what other color combinations I could come up with since I haven't used it in a while. But seeing how these baked shadows pair so well with this primer, that I'm going to see what else I could come up with. Oh, so I set my face using my Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray, and that will complete today's look. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys are staying safe out there. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys want to see me to do next. Or if you want to collab, let me know. Love you guys. Stay safe.